again.
I am taking apart the bike so that we can put it on an airplane if they'll take it, which I hope they will because I have.
Holy cow, look how long that seat post
a little extra weight I want to carry around.
Okay.
So I called and spent about 40 minutes on the phone with Delta, and they verified with me and put it on a reservation that a Tandem was acceptable, that they would take it, as long as the box, get a film of the box here, as long as the box doesn't exceed their maximum specifications. All right, Lisa. So this box. What are you up to?
I'm packing.
Packing? Boy, you're excited to pack for Europe. You're going to take everything you can, aren't you?
No. In fact, I weighed shirts, and I chose this shirt over another one because this one's only 4.1, and the other shirt I was thinking of taking was 5.3. So this one is the one that's going. This is a game of ounces. And
why? Ounces don't matter.
well, this is the biggest problem. This is our chain for the bike. It weighs a pound of 11 ounces, and that's a lot. So yeah. So anyway, and makeup. You know what? I'm thinking about leaving the powder home.
No, I'm not letting you take makeup.
Oh, excuse me. You want me to look like a dog? So that's almost 8 ounces. So something needs to come out of there.
Yeah, you're not taking a half a pound of makeup.
So.
Okay, how many pounds do you get?
We get 10. And
is that a lot more than what you've got there?
I don't. I'm gonna have to pare down. So I'm just gonna have to take.
Okay, how many shirts do you get to take?
2.
And how many jerseys?
We're hoping 2.
How many pairs of shorts?
1.
Socks?
3. Maybe 2.
No, we're going to take 3. Okay.
So yeah.
So that's about it.
That's about it.
Right there for your trip to your luxurious trip to Europe. What are we doing now?
We're gonna see if the Tandem's okay.
Okay. It's arrived. Oh, they broke the box for us. That's not good. And still there. Still there. And looks like it's probably fine. Probably get our bike. And we're going to ride it from the airport somewhere that our Garmin will tell us to go. So we've got our tools, and we're going to hopefully take the box downstairs where there's supposed to be a Swiss post office and ship it to Paris. And we'll meet the box at our Holiday Inn in Paris.
I hope so.
Here we go. We obviously could not get our box shipped because it's Saturday and La Poste was closed. So we had hauled our box on the train and our Tandem on the train separately, and then we literally put our box on top of the bike and hiked a half mile to our hotel where we had to climb some awesome hills
And switch back.
stroke. So now we're at our hotel, which happens to be across the street from the post office, and they're saying they won't help us ship the box on Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So we're still trying to figure out what to do with the box, and we hope this saga ends soon so that we can get rid of the box, get on the bike, get riding soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so after worrying about the box all night, we've changed our plans, and we've canceled the Loire Valley, which is a disappointment, but in lieu of the Loire Valley, my brain does that automatically. We're going to have a couple more days in Paris. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to end at Alpe d'Huez on our bike. We're going to take a train to Geneva, where I'm going right now to drop this off at a place that will take it and charge us only 10 francs a day. So we're going to leave this at the airport. We'll pick it up at the end of our bike ride and then get on the train and take the bike and the box separately to Paris, to our hotel, where hopefully everything from there will work out. So we're going to get rid of the box. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, and it's awesome here in Corsica. So off we go to the train and get this to the airport. So we've changed our plans and decided we will now backpack through the Alps. In this finely crafted backpacking box that I've designed. I will be Lisa's Sherpa in the mountains. Okay, we successfully got the box in a storage facility at the Geneva airport that will hold it for up to 1 month for 10 francs per day. So they've got it. We've changed our trip, so we're ready to go. Now we know we don't have a box, and we have tons of miles ahead of us, and it should be just glorious and awesome.
Every turn